Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priya Chaudhary. So today I'm going to say the haters. No, leave this topic. Wait a second. I come once, okay? It will be I think for 10 seconds. So please wait it, okay? This is not long video. This is about my nature. Okay, so I am here. It wasn't that 10 seconds. It was 4 seconds. Okay. So my nature is like means my nature is aggressive and sensitive and shy. I'm very shy. Okay. And I always look that I'm looking there. So means I'm very shy and shy. Yeah, the nature is like that because my friend told me. Her mother, I think so. Oh, no, sorry. She only just tell me, and then me and my friends have so many fights. That's why she knows it that I have a nature aggressive. Sorry. She knows that my nature is aggressive and uh, mm, aggressive, sensitive, and shy. That's why I am very shy, aggressive, but in the community, press. Go in the community in my channel, and you will see I have come to my first community. So that is that I'm very I don't hate anyone because I am a kind girl. Okay, this is not true, but this is only simple true. Means this is not that true. I cannot explain it. Okay, and this that was not that true because I'm not kind. That's more because my friend is not talking to me anymore. I don't like it. Really. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Bye. That's just 2 minutes video. Okay, you will enjoy it. I think you will not enjoy it, but please get some more views and subscribe and like and share with your friends and family. Bye.